It's amazing how emotions relate to cosmetic dentistry. What do you find your particular patients? How do they feel when you complete your work? Do they feel delighted, elated? And to what do you attribute the emotions about dentistry?
You know, it's a very personal thing, dentistry, and your smile. And, you know, we like to say that the smile's the window to the soul in our office. And it's very personal. And I think not everybody looks at teeth or smiles the same way. And it's very important for the dentist to kind of understand what is a beautiful smile to somebody who's asking you to give them a beautiful smile. For somebody, it's just straight teeth that are, you know, healthy looking, but not too white. And then there's some people who want it as white as a refrigerator door in the old refrigerator doors. So once we find out what a patient likes, we sometimes coax them a little bit to try and, you know, not make something too outlandish or not lose out on something that might be really exciting that they can have. And by listening to the patient, we try to encourage, and I think anybody who goes to their dentist who wants to do this, cut out magazine pictures. I always say, you know, all those flashy magazines, Us and OK and all those magazines, there's always big smiles, and it's nice for a person to bring it in and say, look. And then another thing that people who are older, like me, sometimes we ask people, bring in you know, they say, I used to look so beautiful when I was 20. Bring in that picture. Let's look at what it looked like when you were 20, because sometimes they forgot and it wasn't, and sometimes they really were beautiful. Mm-hmm. And it's not so hard today to restore almost anything that people really want, you know, in their mouth.